My name is Omkar Dalvi. We are responsible third year students. We attended IBES internship program in Android development. My group members are
Myself, Harshal Borude. Myself, Kunal Patel.
My name is Shreyas Bhagwat and we have created an app called Musica. Here is the demonstration. So this is our intro theme. Here are the frequently listened songs of the user. From here you can choose the playlist of any singer, and this is the list view of that singer which you have chosen. And from that you can just play the songs.
This app is created using Firebase storage, so this is an online music listening app.